Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Google Opinion Rewards and signing in. This gives the app the permissions it needs to deliver surveys. Once installed, make sure to enable location and notifications so surveys match where you are and arrive quickly. You should use the Google account you actively use for purchases and play balance. This ensures rewards apply to the right wallet. Don't delay these steps. Complete them now so the app can begin sending short, targeted surveys almost immediately. Once set up, prioritize answering surveys promptly because many expire fast. You'll lose opportunities if you wait. Answer honestly and consistently, since your responses train the algorithm to send better match surveys and increase frequency over time. Make sure to review app settings, choose preferred languages, opt into swipe notifications, and allow background location if you want local surveys. These choices change the type and timing of surveys you receive, so tweak them until the incoming surveys align with your routine and interests. To finish, redeem your balance in Google Play or transfer where available. You'll see earned amounts credited automatically. If survey volume drops, first verify permissions and location are still enabled, then clear the app cache or reinstall the app to reset connections. If that fails, use the in-app feedback option to report the problem and include account details. Support can reset your profile or flag issues. Remember, intermittent lulls are normal. Troubleshooting restores normal survey flow in most cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.